Changing your phone number on Pandora is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information. Step 1. Open the Pandora app. Launch the Pandora app on your smartphone or tablet. Ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to the settings menu by tapping on your profile icon or the gear icon, usually found in the top corner of the app. Step 3. Select account information. In the settings menu, look for an option labeled account or account information. Tap on it to view your account details. Step 4. Update phone number. Find the section for your phone number. Enter your new phone number in a provided field and ensure it is entered correctly. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your phone number, look for a Save or Update button. Tap it to confirm your changes and ensure your new number is saved to your account. Once you've completed these steps, your phone number on Pandora will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider checking the help section of the app for further assistance.